Insulation contractors, listen up. If you're looking at Housecall Pro, it makes sense. It's popular, it's simple, and for a lot of home service businesses, it does the basics well. Scheduling, estimates, invoices, customer reminders, payments, QuickBooks, all the things you need when your business is too busy to run from a phone, a calendar, and a spreadsheet. And the reviews back that up. People like Housecall Pro because it's easy to learn, easy to set up, and it helps small teams look more professional. But here's the question insulation contractors actually need to ask. Is Housecall Pro built for insulation? Not just field service, not just home services, insulation. Because insulation work is different. You're not only booking a job and sending an invoice. You're tracking job sites, attics, crawlspaces, walls, basements, square footage, material type, spray foam, blown-in cellulose, fiberglass bat, rigid board, R-value targets, photos, close-out notes, and reinspection plans. And sometimes one property has 5 different zones, 3 different materials, and follow-up work that needs to happen months later. That's where a general field service tool can start strong and still leave your team doing too much manually. On G2 and Get App, users praise the ease of use, mobile access, reminders, and QuickBooks integration. But the negative reviews are worth paying attention to. Mobile glitches, limited customization, a wish for better reporting, and pricing that gets expensive as you grow. And for insulation companies, customization is not a small detail. It's the difference between writing attic spray foam, R38, 2,400 square feet, check next year, in a notes field, and having that information actually structured in your system. Your software should know the job site, the zone, the material, the square footage, the R-value target, and the reinspect date. That is the real gap. Housecall Pro is a strong general tool, but insulation contractors usually need more than a general tool. Now, if you're comparing alternatives, you'll see names like Jobber, FieldPulse, ServiceTitan, WorkIS, ServiceFusion, and FieldCamp. Jobber is clean and simple. FieldPulse is known for contractor workflows. ServiceTitan is powerful but built for larger teams. WorkIS is strong around communication and dispatch, and ServiceFusion covers the service basics. But the best question is not which software has a calendar. Almost all of them do. The better question is which system understands how an insulation business actually makes money. Because the money is not only in the first install, it's in getting the estimate approved on site, sending the right crew with the right rig, not assigning a bat crew to a spray foam job, knowing truck capacity before you overbook, remembering which properties need reinspection, and turning old jobs into recurring revenue. That's where FieldCamp is different. It's built around the way insulation shops actually operate. Every job site can be broken into areas and zones, and each zone tracks square footage, material type, R-value target, rafter spacing, existing insulation, photos, visit history, and reinspect plans. So when a customer calls and says, "Can someone check my attic?" your team is not digging through old notes. FieldCamp already knows the property. It knows the attic. It knows what material was applied. It knows when the last visit happened, and it can schedule the reinspect automatically. Leads from phone, web, SMS, WhatsApp, Google, and social can all land in one inbox. FieldCamp's AI can qualify the lead, match it to the property, book the right service, and keep the conversation attached to the customer record. Then the AI dispatcher builds the schedule around crew skill, service area, drive time, equipment, and capacity. Not just who is free at 10 a.m., but who should actually do the job. Spray foam certified, blown-in truck available, comfortable in crawl spaces, close to the next stop, That's the difference between a calendar and a real dispatcher. For estimates, FieldCamp supports good, better, and best proposals, priced by square footage, top-up only, full respray, or a premium system with air sealing and warranty. The customer can approve and sign, and the job moves straight into invoicing. After the work is done, FieldCamp can generate the invoice, collect payment, sync with QuickBooks, attach the photos, and keep the close-out checklist all in one place. And the biggest opportunity is reinspection. Most insulation companies are sitting on hidden repeat revenue. In FieldCamp, reinspect plans are part of the job site record. Active, lapsed, no plan, due this month, auto-scheduled, ready for win-back, so your team sees the revenue before it disappears. So here's the honest review. If you only need basic scheduling, invoices, reminders, and payments, Housecall Pro may be enough. But if you want software that understands insulation at the job site and zone level, FieldCamp is the stronger fit. Because the problem is not that Housecall Pro is bad, it's that insulation is specific. So don't just ask which tool is famous. Ask which one can run the business you actually have, and the one you're trying to grow.